In a mixing bowl, add gram flour, cornstarch with baking soda, chili powder, turmeric powder and garam masala, and rice flour and ginger garlic paste, salt to taste. Using a whisk, mix all the ingredients together with little water at a time to make a thick batter. Once the batter is ready, add the Snakegourd Fingers and coat thoroughly. Heat oil in a pan and shallow fry them in batches. Gently flip them after a minute. The fries are done. Drain them on a paper towel and serve hot with ketchup. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel.